Welcome in devlog number 3. Let's take a look what has been changed in my Spring project since our last update.
Welcome, young traveler. Take your time to explore this peaceful land. Many wonderful creatures live here waiting to be discovered. But to see them, you'll need the right tools. Gather carrots along your way. They'll help you trade for new discoveries.
So I have a new character that's new Sprig and completely ripped on from scratch. I have a little bit more work to do on some animation and so on, but that's a completely new character. What we have here is we have a store. So what I can do is I can buy one of the items here, magnifying glass.
To open your tools, please press E button.
E button to use it. So at the moment I have 10, so I can't buy the second one, which is flashlight, that costs 20. So I could do that later on. And so we could close that, and then we can gather more carrots along the way. We have 12 at the moment. Hold C for crouching. And I have completely rewritten the way we handle animals in the game. So at the moment I just implemented 2 animals. I had more before, but I completely rewritten the logic behind those. So I have a frog here. So what I need to do is I need to open my tools, which is magnifying glass, the one that I just bought. So I have a magnifying glass and I can point to animal to discover. And I have a frog. So now I can open my book and I can see 2 available animals to discover. One is still hidden, not discovered, and I have frog here that has been discovered here. So I can close this. There is a second animal close by here, and I reverted to use AI inside Unreal Engine, so it's kind of more walking around in different places. So let's discover this animal as well. It's going away. And I have a spider. And I can see spider is here, and I have some information about the spider. What I need to also do is to connect carrots to get more tools. I will have more animals, obviously. At the moment they are not active because, as I said, I rewrote almost everything in the animal. So I mean, at the moment I'm using data assets for handling animals. And I'm using artificial intelligence as well for those. What I have here in this section is we have that bridge. I can't cross the water here. So what I have to do is I need to fix the bridge because it's broken at the moment. So I can find different planks in different places. At the moment it's still very empty. And there will be waterfall over there. But obviously that's not looking great right now. I need to have 3 planks, so and I have a third one here. So once I collect 3 planks, I can go and fix the bridge. So you see at the moment it's broken, and I just fix it with 3 planks here, and I can cross the river. And here it will be another region that I could discover. Obviously planks will be hidden within that level, so they are not going to be close by. As they are now, there will be some forest biome, which I will have some forest animals here to discover, and I will have obviously more elements like grass. I have a fox in here that I will make alive later on, and I have some animals here as well. So in another section I have a puzzle to solve here. To cross to this section I have a little bridge here temporary one. I will have a butterflies here to discover and some other animals. So what I could do is I need to solve the little riddle here to open this gate, and I need to do that in a sequence. So if I will press this one, if that's good, I can close this one and it's kind of reset everything. So I need to make them in a proper order. And then I can open another section. So I'll have a different biome here with different animals and different trees here. So basically that's what I have so far. I spent a lot of time rewriting the animals logic, and I also spent a lot of time trying to create a new character and try to retarget my animation. Still not perfect, but it's something that I will probably do in the next few days if I will have a chance to fix all the kind of quirkiness. But at the moment it's new, it's looking much better than the previous one in my opinion, but I still have some work to do. Okay, that's an update. I also decided about the name of the studio I will be creating, and it will be called Barine Amble Games. Please let me know in the comment if you know what the Barine means, because I didn't before my research. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.